Hello, my name is Evil Pico, and I'm a very naughty boy. I don't know why people say I'm naughty. And worse, my parents keep grounding me. They always do that whenever I do stuff what I like to do, and I tell them to stop, but they ground me. But why? Ha 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 ha. Man, I can't believe I got grounded for blowing up McDonald's with a bomb. What should I do? I know, I will wake up Perry with my air horn. Let's go get my air horn. Got it. All right, blowing the air horn. In 3, 2, 1.
Perry, are you okay? My evil clone, how dare you wake up Perry with your stupid air horn?
And you know he's 4. And we're telling MOM and Dad and Piconian Pico and rip off Pico. And viewers, if you're watching this, please turn down your volume. I forgot, you don't want your ears to bleed, but if you're wearing headphones, turn it down.
Stop acting like a baby. This is all your fault. Sorry for the loud volume, everyone.